What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So ito na naman ang bagong reaction video for Isay Olarte. So kakatapos ko lang sa round 1 and medley ni Arvery, no, yung second runner-up. Now we're going to the first runner-up na si Isay Olarte. So round 1, and after this, dun tayo sa medley performance niya. And lastly, kay Carmel tayo na medley performance. But now, let's focus on Isay's round 1 performance sa Grand Finals. So, if bago kayo, don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Ooh, salamin? Ooh. Sheesh. Bro. Hey. Sheesh. Grabe yung swag. Let's go. Yako. Galing. Mapapatawa ka na lang. What? Yes, parang nag-concert lang. 'Di ba? Sumabay yung hurados. Woo! Galing ng drummer, oh. Grabe, goosebumps, oh. Grabe, goosebumps. Wow. What? Guys, eto. Okay, na-impress ako kay Arvery kanina. Like, super duper impressed ako. But this kind of performance, hindi lang ako na-impressed. Talagang, I was having a goosebumps all over my body. Totoo yan. Kahit ngayon nga no? Grabe, speechless ako dun. Paano ko masasabihin to? Okay, yung performance niya is full of swagger. Talagang grabe yung swag. And if nakita nyo, she can do a lot of things, no? Nakakabirit siya. Like, yung birit niya is not half-baked. Talagang solid yung mga notes. Solid yung birit ni Isay, no? Yung growl niya, yung giggle niya, And she can rap as well, no? May konting part doon na parang nag-rap siya, no? And yung confidence din niya andun no? Para siyang nagko-concert kasi yung nag-adlib siya na come on everybody, parang gano'n, no? Parang concert lang. Sing everybody, parang gano'n, 'di ba? And imagine this is a grand finals, no? Pero if you can do that during a grand finals performance, you're oozing with confidence. No, you're just oozing with confidence. No? Kasi, di ba kapag grand finals, you have to be meticulous, no? On what you're doing in the stage, no? During your performance. Kasi pag nagkamali ka sa adlib mo, pwede kang mawala But, she's also oozing with confidence just like Carmel. Grabe. So, no wonder kung bakit 0.3% lang yung lamang ni Carmel kay Isay. No? Very close fight, no? Very close fight. And this performance really says it all kung bakit it was a close fight to claiming kung sino talaga yung dapat mag-champion. Well, for Carmel naman, she did her own thing and magaling din talaga yun. But for Isay, yung nakita ko dito kay Isay compared kay Arvery, yung versatility ni Isay and Carmel, no? Kasi sabi ko na, kung hindi nyo pa nakita yung reaction ko kay Arvery, you guys should watch that. Kasi doon, sinabi ko doon kung ano yung talagang non-biased opinion ko kay Arvery. Okay? It was a fantastic performance na ginawa ni Arvery, but meron akong sinabi doon. So if hindi nyo nakita, go check it out and listen to what I had to say sa kanyang performances. But this one, Isay, man, grabe. Grabe. And that's a Salamin, Salamin is performed by the group Bini, no? 5 ata? 5 ba sila? 6? Basta marami yung Bini, no? Pero si Isay lang mag-isa. No? Si Isay lang, and she did that. Like, very energizing, okay? Very swaggy, saucy, no? With all the runs, with all the high notes, power beat it, and everything, no? She made the judges dance as well, and nakaka-hype talaga, no? So amazing, amazing, very commendable na performance from Isay Olarte. Amazing. So yeah, that's for round 1. And next naman natin i-react, okay, yung medley performance ni Isay. And then we'll go to the last reaction for the school edition kay Carmel na medley performance. And I've also reacted to Carmela, yung round 1 niya. So just go check it out sa aking mga recent uploads. Andun yun. Okay? So that's it. Peace out, everybody. Stay tuned. God bless you all. Peace. Take care.